Hello everybody, welcome back to this Mobile DS. And we got all the star coins in these levels. And now we're at endgame. We're going to the last final levels in this world. And it's endgame for this let's play, finally. But yeah, alright. This level's kind of treacherous, alright. It's kind of hard, alright. Cause there are a lot of enemies that are gonna be in your way. And there's lava beneath you, so that's no good. Right. But yeah, alright. This level's kind of hard, okay? No joke. Alright. Start point right there, you have to throw a shell right there. And this final section is freaking hard, cause look, enemies are just in your way too, okay? Like, it's just so damn hard, alright? And I fell. But I did it, and that's the end of the level. And I'm serious, that's the end of the level, alright? It only took me like 1 minute to get through it. But yeah, that final section in that where the enemies are in your path, it's kind of hard, alright? So yeah, as you can see, I got another mini mushroom because we need to get to a path. Just kidding. Um, um, a freaking star coin is what I'm saying. But yeah, alright. In this level, not that bad, alright. It's not bad. This freaking emulator sucks, man. Doesn't want to work right. But yeah, this level's not that bad. You have to. It's vertical, right? So you're gonna have to get up because lava is rising in beneath. So yeah. And the star coins are kind of easy to find here, alright? They're kind of easy to get. To get the jet. Right? But yeah. It's not that hard. Oh crap. But yeah, this level's not that hard. And the slowdown in this game is freaking, like, I just hate this emulator, alright? This emulator sucks balls. Oh crap, hurry up. Hurry up, Mario. Alright? There we go, and that's it. That's just it. That's it for that level. It's a nice, I'm a mean one. It's a me, Mario. Yeah, oh, yeah, oh, yeah, oh, yeah, oh. Wait, that's Luigi's voice. Oh, well. But yeah, right, on to the third and final, on to the third level of this final section of the world. Alright. But yeah, alright. These levels are kind of not bad at all, alright. Some of them are kind of bad, alright. Especially the first one, but yeah, not that bad. Ooh, okay. But at least the star coins are kinda easy to find, alright? Easy to get, kind of, alright? But yeah, this is just it. That's it for this whole thing over here, this whole operation. Alright. Alright. These fire bros I despise so much. Alright. 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 Oh my god. Frick you, man. Alright. Last star coin is right here. And then freaking, oh my god, okay. Hurry up. Hurry up! Of course, I lost everything, but that's okay. Thank you so nice, Mario. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Alright. Alright. Now this level, I think I'm gonna have to get a checkpoint over here. Because this level is freaking hard, alright? It's hard to get the second star coin too, because this is why you need the mini mushroom for this one if you're going for 100%. Alright. Last star coin right there. That's easy. Over here. I hate these freaking bomb things too, because when they lighten up, they go after you. No good. That's what Sonic says. No good. Alright. Where did I go? I think I missed one right here. Did I miss anything? Oh my god, I hate this. I freaking hate this, man. So, Google, what are you doing, man? Alright. I just need to know what I'm going to do. Alright. I will get money. Choke around, boy. Alright. Now, if you shoot them with your fireball, they'll lighten up, so I suggest don't do that. Alright, hurry up. There we go. I'm gonna write a checkpoint over here because I suck at the game. I was gonna game. Alright. And it's a maze. Okay, it's a maze with different particles. So, yeah, right. This maze is not that hard, alright. It's very easy. Alright. Come on. Hurry up. There we go. Oh. Oh. Okay. Flam, bloom, bloom. Let's just get this over with. Okay. I freaking hate this. I hate it. Alright. I'm back and making a video. Alright. Now we're just gonna wait for these the premise, I don't know, to come raining down, and we can get the second, and then we can get the third star coin. Now, come on, man, get it. Alright, it's gonna take a long time to get through this, man, because again, there we go. Alright. Oh crap, okay. Trading premise. Let's go! There we go. Ooh. We made it.
So nice.
Thank you so nice, my Mario. With the Mario Bros and blubbing the geek. Alright. Now we're gonna head to the second castle. Which is freaking Volcano. Okay, I hate this level because it's an auto scroller again with these blocks, and things are just coming at you like it's so bad, right? And I don't know, I just hate this level, right? This is probably like the hardest level yet. Alright. So yeah, right, it's kind of evil. This level's evil. Like, look. Yeah, you have to get up here, like it's so unexpected, okay? But I'm not gonna be around, so let's just get it over with. First star coin, none. And spike balls are gonna come after you. It's so freaking rare, bro. Like, it just tells, alright. Like, everything is out to kill you, alright? Regular Ohio Gat. The gat you observed is kind of harassing. Come on. No, oh my god, what's wrong with me, dude? Okay. Come on, oh, frick, quick. Alright. My bro. Alright. Like, look at that spike ball right there. See? Like, these spike balls are trying to kill you. But they can't beat the Mario, because Mario is so cool at the games. Okay. Alright. Gotta stop it right there. Alright, there we go. Okay. Level done. Now we just have to wait for this. Ooh. Okay. Sui. Oh, alright. Now we can get the Bowser Jr. now. And Bowser Jr. is kind of hard now. Since you don't have the Fire Flower. He's kind of hard this time around here. Alright. Alright. Okay. But yeah, he's kind of hard in this one. But oh well, he's not that hard for me, so yeah. It's nice. Wahoo, wahoo, wahoo. Yeah. And now, folks, we're at the final castle. The finale of all, alright? The final level. But first, we're gonna go and unlock all the cannons, okay? So remember all the cannons I unlocked? Well, you have to get them, alright? You have to open them. Like, you have to get to them. You have to get in the cannons, all I'm saying, alright? So if you get this cannon, you'll get to go to World 5. World 5 we go. Yes. And if we go to World 2, if you go to the cannon, you'll just go to World 5 again because, you know. Here I go. But yeah, right. World 5. Here we go. And you know, I should be now look, I know what you guys might say, alright? Why am I stopping the recording and going to the cannon? Well, it's gonna be super slow, alright? So yeah, I just don't want to do that. The World 5 cannon we go. And we go to World 6. Oh, I didn't mean to go to there. World 4, we just go to World 7. Damn, this time's slow, it's so slow, alright. Yeah, World 4, World 7, World 7. Oh, frick, I didn't mean to go over there, it's gonna doofus. Be consistent. Gustavo Fring. There we go. Alright. And the last and final cannon is in World 5. And you might know where we're going. Over here. Here I go to Mexico. But yeah, we go to World 8. But yeah, right. I think I'm gonna end it off here. Okay, the last the last part of the LP will be the will be the final castle. So I hope you'll have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out. Bye. Oh, damn.